What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a detailing video on the Daily Driver Project HHR. So let's go. Welcome back to the channel. Unless you're new, in which case hit like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. This is a detailing segment where I detail and wash the Daily Driver Project HHR. The first video here was the exterior. Rather than make one big giant detailing video, I decided to break it up into 3 segments: exterior, interior, which is here, and then the wheels. This is a quick one. I'll have a link to all the products I use in the description. Any questions, feel free to comment. With that being said, let's get started.
All right, we're gonna get started here with the rear wheels and tires. I start off with some Sonex wheel cleaner. Traditionally, this is what I've used in the past. I've been really happy with it until more recently I found a new product by Meguiar's, well, new to me, and I'm actually gonna use both today. Again, this is the rear wheels. They are not overly dirty, but there is definitely not a shine to them like there normally is. I was just about out of this bottle as it is, so I was kind of just trying to finish the Sonex. So after I spray a very healthy amount on the actual wheel, I'm going to go over it with my trusty wheel brush, which is meant to not be very abrasive. No scratches, very soft. I'm going to try and get in all the cracks and crevices. Pay extra special attention to the lug nut area. And then I'll spray it down. There we go. I'm gonna spray that down. Looks pretty good. Gets the job done. I actually decided to try out this Meguiar's wheel cleaner. It's wheel and tire, and I was really blown away. It did a really good job on the wheels. It did a really good job on the tires, and not that I noticed a huge difference on the wheels because I just cleaned them, but I was just really happy with this product. For that second wheel, I'm going to go back over it again with my brush. I'm going to let it soak into the tire a little bit, try and break up a lot of that dirt. All in between. Get all up in there. Can't neglect the lug nut area. All right, now that we got that done, we're going to respray the tire and go over the rubber with our tire brush. You can kind of see here, it's like a brownish color. That is the dirt that we are getting off. These wheels hadn't been cleaned in just about 2 months, maybe a little bit more. Again, they weren't too bad as far as brake dust goes, but the wheels were actually pretty bad. I had parked, unfortunately, for a few days in some mud. The mud had gotten all around the wheel, all around the tire. We're going to spray it all down and watch the dirt just melt off these things. Again, super happy with the Meguiar's product. I am not sponsored by any company. However, Meguiar's, if you want to sponsor me, let's go. Let's get it done. Really like this Meguiar's wheel and tire cleaner. It's all in one. It's a big bottle, and they're usually like $13, $14, maybe $15. You actually get a lot of bang for your buck. I didn't clean the first wheel and tire. I didn't clean the first tire, so I'm going back over it now with the Meguiar's and the tire brush. Gonna make sure that tire is nice and clean. It's usually good to do 2 passes. Make sure you got everything. I will actually do 2 passes, but not on camera. Second pass was not a lot of dirt coming off. Kind of just gonna go back over this wheel real quick. I just cleaned it with the Sonics. It's a little overkill. It's a nice quick video today. Nice easy video. These wheels they clean up so well. They really fit this car too. These are the rear wheels. You can see they're not ultra dirty. I'm gonna clean the barrels just because I had the wheels off the car anyway. I don't normally take the wheel and tires off the car every cleaning. We were working on some suspension parts and decided it was just gonna be easier to take them off, do a good cleaning. Again, this is kind of overkill. Cleaning the inside of the wheels isn't really necessary, but I have them off. I got a camera recording. Why not? Now, cleaning the barrels is always pretty necessary. You can see some of the dirt starting to come off from the top there, especially after it's sat on there for a few. It's just easier to clean them on this side as opposed to going through the front with your other tools. I am going to show the front wheels over here in a second. I had a camera malfunction. I thought I was recording when I was cleaning my front wheels, but I was not. So all I really got was a side-by-side comparison with the front wheels turned around. You can see that in a second. All I really got is the rear wheels being cleaned here. Washing them down. I love watching the dirt just melt off these things. It's awesome. It's very rewarding. Very rewarding. We are going to add a protectant to the rubber here shortly, so make sure to stick around for that. That'll go pretty quick. Here, you're going to get a chance to see the comparison. Here are the front wheels. The insides are extremely dirty. I've sprayed them with the cleaner already, and you can kind of see one versus the other. After the cleaners had a chance to kind of break down a lot of that dirt. Did not even use a brush on these yet. You can see the side-by-side comparison just from spraying that cleaner in the barrels. What a difference. Here's one that's cleaned. And by comparison, the one that is not. A lot of dirt just sitting there. Brake dust and whatnot. What a difference. There's the product. Meguiar's non-acid wheel and tire cleaner. Highly recommend. So here we're actually going to use a graphene tire coating, a graphene detailer. It's from Adams. I had used it briefly once before. I'm going to use a little more than I probably should here on this video, but I'd used it once before. I kind of liked it. After using it for this video and watching the results over the next few weeks, I'm a huge fan of this product. The product went on very easy. It was very easy to apply. It dried fairly quick, and it held a shine for a while. Again, huge fan of this product. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Would love it if someone wanted to sponsor. Adams, shout out. Throw me a sponsorship. The coating is pretty cheap. It was pretty easy to apply using an applicator I believe I got from Adams. And that's it. It's as easy as it goes on. I'm going to apply it here to the other wheels. Again, we're going to get to see this. I do apply a little more than I need to. It comes out pretty quick. I thought it was going to be a little thicker, but it does come right out of the bottle. Again, put it on the applicator, throw that applicator around the tires, and after a short period, it dries pretty well. That's really the shine you're going to end up seeing as you drive this car away. When you're using this, 2 or 3 times onto the applicator probably would have been more than enough. The 5 and 6 that I'm applying is a little bit too much. But with this applicator, this foam applicator, it wasn't like I wasted too much of it. There it is. What a shine. I love these chrome wheels with a nice tire shine on them. The red Brembo calipers. Everything looks really nice here. Whether you kind of like the car or absolutely hate it, you can't really deny this does look really sharp. Here's the last wheel. Again, easy applicator. Just put it on, rub it down, and that is that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a quick one today. A little detailing video during the winter. Makes me miss the days of summer.
That's it for today's video. Any detail questions, feel free to comment or hit us up on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace.